Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I work hard so I can keep my grades up. All my negative peers I can gonna raise up. I work hard. I gotta get my grades up. I can still do good even mess up. I work hard. I work hard. I do good. I do good. I work hard. I work hard. I do good. I do good. What's good with your fam? We at Calvary, you know what I'm saying, church, putting it down for the Lord. We just had these young men putting it down on the camera, live. Y'all gonna see them on YouTube and all that other stuff. That's what is going down. Here they go. Yes, sir.